scholars. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. Okay, so now let us continue with our chapter, that is our body. Okay, so let's start. Now, organizational structure of human body. So we have to see the different systems which are working in our body. So which are the different types of organ system? Number 1 is digestive system. Number 2 is respiratory system. Number 3 is circulatory system. And number 4 is excretory system. So today students we are going to discuss about digestive system. Yes. So how our food is digested inside our body, that we are going to study today. So let us begin. Okay. So now step by step we are going to see how the food is digested inside our body. So let us begin. We get energy for work and play from the food that we eat. Yes, we all know that from the food that we are eating, we get energy to carry out all the other activities. Now, the food is broken down into simpler substances so that energy can be released and used by the body. So whenever the food goes inside, it is broken down into simpler substances so that the food can be converted into energy. And so the food will give us energy to do our work. Then the process by which food is broken down into similar substances is called digestion. Okay, so whenever we are taking food, the food is broken down into simpler substances. So this process in which the food is converted into simpler substance, this whole process is known as digestion. Yes. There are many organs in our body which help in the process of digestion. These organs together form our digestive system. Let us learn about the process in detail. Okay, so now there are many organs which are involved in the process of digestion. So first let us begin with the mouth. Okay. Eaten food is beaten and chewed by the teeth in the mouth. Yes, we all are taking our food into the mouth. So the first thing is the first organ which comes in contact with the food is teeth. The teeth is going to chew the food. Yes. Now a liquid substance called saliva is released inside the mouth that helps to make the food wet, soft and easily chewable. Yes, so students, what is saliva? So whenever we see or smell a tasty food, a liquid substance is released inside our mouth. So that liquid substance is known as saliva. So whenever we take in food, whenever our teeth is going to chew the food, along with the chewing process, the saliva is released in our mouth. So how this saliva is going to help the food to be broken down into smaller substances is the saliva will make the food wet, soft and easily chewable. Okay, now let us see further what happens. The chewed food then passes down a long thin tube called the food pipe. Okay, after the mouth what is going to come? The food pipe. Okay, so the food after the mouth, when it is chewed, it will move through the food pipe, and where it is going to go? To reach a sac-like organ called the stomach. From the mouth, the food is going into the food pipe. From the food pipe, the food is going into the stomach. The stomach is described as a sac-like structure. Yes. Now, the walls of the stomach releases some digestive juices. Okay, so we know that the food is digested inside our stomach. So what helps the food to get digested inside the stomach? So the wall of the stomach have some digestive juices. So these digestive juices will help our food to get digested. Okay, now which further helps to break down the food into similar substances. Okay, so whenever we are taking in food, the teeth will chew the food, the saliva will help in the process of chewing the food, making the food wet and soft. From there, it will move into the food pipe. From the food pipe, the food is going to go into the stomach. Into the stomach, the digestive juices will release, and this digestive juices will help the food to get digested. Okay, students, so here we have learnt about the digestive system. So in the next lecture, we are going to learn about some other system. Till then, take care. Bye bye.